Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hello, and welcome to Best AI Models, the all-in-one platform that gives you access to 21 of the world's leading AI models from one dashboard, with lifetime access and no monthly fees. Let's begin by logging in and taking a closer look. After logging in, you'll arrive at this premium dashboard, where all the leading AI models are organized in one place. Right here, you'll find Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Kimi, Grok, and many more, including the latest models with Pro, Max, and Enterprise-level capabilities. There's no need to switch between platforms or manage separate subscriptions. Simply browse the models and choose the one that best fits your task. First, I'm selecting Claude Fable 5 and choosing Code. I'll ask it to create a premium website for a real estate company called CA.com, focused on architecture, engineering, consultancy, and interior design. Within seconds, it starts building a polished website from one instruction. Next, I'll choose GPT 5.6 Sol and select Image. I'll enter Create an ultra-realistic premium burger ad with a double patty burger, melted cheese, fresh lettuce, tomato, crispy onions, and smoky sauce on a dark luxury background with cinematic lighting. Perfect. The image is ready in moments. Now, let's select DeepSeek V4 Flash and choose PDF. I'll ask it to create a guide titled Website Traffic Automation Blueprint, covering SEO, email marketing, social media scheduling, retargeting, lead magnets, and analytics. DeepSeek organizes everything and turns it into a complete PDF. Next, I'll choose Kimi K2 Thinking and activate Deep Think. Here's the prompt. Kimi analyzes the problem and explains the solution clearly. You can also use Best AI models for chat, deep thinking, research, file uploads, coding, images, PDFs, documents, calculations, and much more. Everything you've seen so far is included in the front-end version, but that's not where it ends. With the unlimited version, you can use all these models with unlimited usage. Upgrade to Best AI Videos to access leading AI video generation models from one place. With Best AI Voices, you can use powerful AI voice and text-to-speech models to create realistic voiceovers and professional audio content. And Best AI Visuals brings together leading AI tools for generating images, graphics, designs, and presentations. We also offer Done For You, AI Profit Machine, Agency, Franchise, Reseller, and the white label version of Best AI models. One dashboard, the world's leading AI tools, unlimited possibilities. Join Best AI models today and start creating.